In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a service on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, trustworthy service listing that reaches the right local audience. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone or type facebook.com/marketplace into your browser. On the Marketplace home screen, select Create New Listing. When you're asked for a listing type, choose Item for Sale. In some regions, there's a dedicated service option, but if you don't see it, Item for Sale is the correct path. You'll set the service category a little later. Next, add visuals. Upload clear, well-lit photos that show your work, your tools, or a before and after. You can also upload a short video up to 30 seconds to demonstrate your process or results. Keep backgrounds uncluttered and use natural light when possible. If your photos look a bit dull, use the Meta AI Enhance tool to automatically improve lighting and clarity. It's fast, and a crisp first image can dramatically improve clicks. Now fill in the details. After you upload photos, you'll see the option to generate with Meta AI. This can draft a title and description based on your images. It's a great starting point, but read it carefully and adjust anything that's off. If you prefer to write it yourself, make the title specific and location-based, like Professional Home Cleaning, Chicago. In your description, include the services you offer, service area, typical turnaround times, and what's included. For pricing, set a base rate or a starting at price so shoppers know what to expect. If pricing varies, say what affects the cost, such as square footage or add-ons. Choosing the right category is crucial. Scroll to category and select the most accurate fit. Options like household, garden, beauty, or professional services are common. A precise category helps Marketplace show your listing to people nearby who are actively browsing for that type of service. Before you publish, consider enabling AI auto replies. Turning this on lets Meta AI answer common questions like your hours, availability, or service area using details from your description. To make it work well, ensure your description clearly lists those basics. You can still jump in anytime to continue the conversation or send a quote. When everything looks good, click Publish. If you want to keep business separate from personal, you can choose Hide from Friends. After your listing goes live, keep an eye on your inbox and respond promptly. Fast replies often win the booking. That's it. You've created a polished, service-focused marketplace listing that's easy to find and easy to book.